solve for x, and we have 1 over x minus 1 over 4 is equal negative 1 over 4x. First, because we have fractions here, and we know that we cannot have 0 in the denominator. So x must be different than 0, and the denominator on the right side we have 4 times x. So again, x cannot be 0. For x equals 0, we will have 4 times 0 is 0. The denominator will be 0. We cannot divide by 0. That's why the domain of our equation is all real numbers different than 0. And now, to solve this equation, first let me rewrite this. We have 1 over x minus 1 over 4 is equal, and I will take this negative sign to numerator. We can write that this is negative 1 over 4x. Next, we have subtractions on the left side. To do this, we have to have the same denominator. So I will multiply first denominator by 4. So numerator I have to also multiply by 4. And the second denominator I will multiply by x. The same I have to do with numerator. So we have 1 times 4 is 4 over x times 4 is 4x minus 1 times x is x over 4x. This is equal negative 1 over 4x. The same denominators, so we can add these two expressions. Denominator we copy, and we have in numerator 4 minus x. This is equal negative 1 over 4x. Next, because we have the same denominators, so we can forget about our denominators and only compare numerators. So we have 4 minus x must be equal negative 1 when the right side is equal to the left side. The denominator is the same, so numerator on the left side must be equal to the numerator on the right side. So we got linear equation. I will move 4 to the right side, so we have negative x is equal negative 1, 4 to the right, so it will be negative 4. So we have negative x is equal negative 1 and 4, so this is negative 5. Now I will multiply both sides by negative 1. Negative 1 times negative x, so will be x is equal negative 5 times negative 1 is 5. We got that x is equal 5. This is our solution. X is different than 0, so everything is okay.